and so we don't have those scroll bars. So right before the closing head tag, we're going to go ahead and edit script type. So type text / JavaScript, and we're going to go ahead and do window.fb async init equals function fb.canvas.setSize. And let's go ahead and close our script tag here. And what this is going to do is right when the page is loaded, Facebook is actually going to automatically determine the height of the page, and then it's actually going to resize the height. Set size is actually going to work if you have one page height that's not going to change. If you do have a page height that's going to change, what we want to do is we want to use a different piece of code, and that code is canvas.setAutoResize. And what that does is that constantly checks to see the height of the page and actually adjust the canvas size. The reason we're not going to use that here is just because that's a lot more resource intensive because it's checking constantly for the size of the page. So if you're not going to change the height of your page, if it's not changing, you want to just go ahead and use set size. So we'll go ahead and stay with that. So again, we added the JavaScript SDK here at the bottom and put in our application ID. And then we also set some code up here that will actually reset the size, the height of the canvas. So let's go ahead and save that. And let's go ahead and put this file up to our server. And let's go resize our Facebook page. So here's our Facebook page, again with the height not extended. Let's go ahead and refresh. And look at here. So now you can see our page is actually resized to the appropriate height. So the last thing we want to do before we're done here is pull some information from Facebook. So remember we talked about using the Facebook PHP SDK to pull in some information that Facebook gives us not only about pages but about users as well. So the first thing we need to do that is add in the Facebook PHP file. So the way to do that is to do require Facebook.php. And what that'll do is that actually pull in that PHP